Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting right now. Open Chrome and go straight to Extensions. You need to be in the profile you use to browse so the right extensions show. Once the extensions page is visible, turn on Developer Mode. This exposes each extension's details, ID, and extra controls. Make sure to scan the visible list for names like AdBlock Plus, uBlock Origin, or anything unfamiliar. You're setting the stage to identify which item is acting as an ad blocker. Now inspect each candidate. Click details on a suspicious extension to see what permissions it has and which sites it can access. That tells you how it blocks content. Look at the extension ID and the install date or version. Recent installs or unknown publishers are prime suspects. Once done, toggle the extension off to test whether ads reappear. If ads return, you found the blocker. If not, continue down the list methodically until you isolate the responsible extension. With the blocker identified, disable it first to verify behavior, then remove it if you want it gone. After removal, reload pages to confirm ads return or stop being blocked. If the extension won't remove or something odd persists, reset Chrome settings or try signing into a guest profile to isolate profile-level issues. If problems continue, reinstall Chrome or scan for malware. That solves hidden or malicious blockers. One tip: use the guest profile to confirm whether the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.